Discover unique learning and research opportunities at the School of Engineering on UBC's Okanagan campus. After a first year where students learn a solid foundation in engineering principles, students choose a specific program: civil, electrical, manufacturing, or mechanical engineering. There are no quotas or caps on these programs at UBC Okanagan. Therefore, the choice is yours. And don't forget options and minors, but keep in mind, many are competitive entry. We'll get to all of that over the course of this short video. First, let's explore your specialization or program choices. Civil engineering helps shape the world by analyzing, planning, designing, constructing, and maintaining the built environment for safe, healthy, and sustainable living. There are 7 subdisciplines: structural, geotechnical, environmental, water resources, transportation, construction management, and infrastructure management.
Civil engineering is the discipline that creates harmony among people, nature, and technology.
Civil engineers are involved in every aspect of creating a civil society and a quality of life we can all enjoy.
The reason why the students choose the disciplines in civil is the area is broad. We have many sub-disciplines in the civil engineering: structural engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, and many others.
Civil engineers design and build epic structures, from testing in the labs to applying the results in the field to shape the skyline of cities and towns. Transportation, designing roads, intersections, roundabouts, and airports. Civil engineers build the foundations for society. Geotechnical, test the soil that carries our built environment. Civil engineers ensure clean water supplies. Water resources, ensuring our water supply and managing floods. Environmental, water, wastewater, air, and soil. Civil engineers design urban infrastructure, project management, and infrastructure management. Engineers Canada projects an average of over 2,000 job openings in civil engineering in their most recent labour market report, with additional job opportunities related to replacing retiring workers. In BC alone, the average age of civil engineers is 55. According to the Engineers and Geoscientists of British Columbia's 2016 Employment Survey, the mean salary for a civil engineer was $97,000. Here are some potential employers and sectors related to civil engineering. Electrical engineering. Study at the cutting edge of technology and be part of global solutions related to energy conservation, power grids, communication networks, computer products, and many other sectors. Electrical engineering is at the heart of many fields: communications and networking, control and robotics, electronics and computers, electromagnetics and photonics, and power systems. Electrical engineers work with electronics. Electrical engineers work in robotics. Electrical engineers work with new communication technologies. Electrical engineers work with AI, machine learning, and blockchain. Electrical engineers work in many other sectors, including communications, networking, sensors, wireless systems, mechatronics, fiber optics, machines, industrial processes, semiconductor manufacturing, integrated circuits, computers, embedded systems, power systems, electrical power generation and distribution, power electronics, motors, alternative energy systems, biomedical, intellectual property, and patents.
Electrical engineering is concerned with the design and creation of any electrical system.
I've been drawn to electrical engineering because electromagnetic phenomena are responsible for almost all of our everyday interactions. On top of that, electrical engineering involves a strong understanding of physics, math, and scientific principles.
Electrical engineering also concerns electromagnetic signals and energy sources. What we're concerned with in this lab is the interaction of light with nanoscopic materials that we intentionally create with specialized properties.
Here are some companies that hire electrical engineers. Engineers Canada projects about 1,800 job openings annually in electrical and electronic engineering, with 1,200 of these openings as a result of retirements. According to the Engineers and Geoscientists of British Columbia's 2016 employment survey, the mean salary for an electrical engineer was $104,000. Manufacturing engineering. Investigate the evolving world of digital manufacturing in the factory of the future, including additive manufacturing, advanced materials, adaptive robotics, artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, modern manufacturing practices, and Industry 4.0. This specialization includes computer-aided engineering, computer-aided design, advanced materials, computer-aided manufacturing, industrial engineering, and management. Potential employers and sectors include machinery manufacturing, transportation equipment, computer and electronics products, fabricated metal, automotive, government, research, industry, military, management and consulting enterprises, oil and gas, aerospace, biotechnology, construction, mining, automation, and robotics.
Manufacturing engineering differentiates itself from other disciplines of mechanical, electrical. You do a lot of materials work in it too, some software that you need to be using.
Manufacturing engineering, to me, it's production. It's precise production actually of everything. To me, it's one of the best engineering out there.
Manufacturing engineering is a more applied side of engineering. Whatever electrical, mechanical, and civil engineers design, manufacturing engineers, they convert their design into a tangible product.
Manufacturing engineering is a good option for students who are curious about learning how products are created and being a part of new product design and being innovative and improving on designs.
I chose manufacturing engineering because of the interest in applying engineering theory into making actual parts. The manufacturing concept applies to so many fields.
Here in the Okanagan, the school has invested a lot of money in purchasing some of the state-of-the-art equipment that students might expect to see in industry, such as CNC machines and also simulation machines that can simulate various manufacturing processes. Students learn about a broad number of topics. In my courses, they'll learn about sensor and actuator technologies and the brains behind integrating those into creating automated systems.
The training and the skills that we have designed for manufacturing will be focusing on the skills which the current industry requires them. For example, an engineer that comes out of this program will be able to serve the multidisciplinary nature of the jobs out there that requires the knowledge of electrical, mechanical, software programming. Our students will be in high demand to enter the job market.
I spent 9 years in manufacturing industry and faced a lot of challenges. If this type of program had been offered at that time, it would have been a great foundation to face those challenges.
Engineers Canada projects about 1,000 job openings annually in manufacturing engineering based on statistics from their latest labour market report. According to the Engineers and Geoscientists of British Columbia's 2016 employment survey, the mean salary for a manufacturing engineer was $102,000. Mechanical engineering. Investigate practical, hands-on ways of creating and improving physical systems to meet the demand of modern industries, from aircraft and energy systems to biomedical, mechatronics, and manufacturing. Potential employers and sectors include government, research, industry, military, management, consultation, oil and gas, aerospace, biotechnology, automotive, construction, mining, automation, robotics, architectural services, manufacturing, transportation, computer products, electronic products, fabrication.
Mechanical engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with design and manufacturing things starting from simple single part to rather complex and intricate mechanism and devices.
As a mechanical engineer, we are trying to design and develop new nanostructural materials that will enable next generation battery technology.
We have a very diverse faculty that works on a number of different research topics, and these include artificial heart valves, composite materials, autonomous vehicles, microfluidic devices, and many other topics that you can think of.
Engineers Canada projects over 2,000 job openings annually in mechanical engineering based on statistics from their latest labour market report. According to the Engineers and Geoscientists of British Columbia's 2016 employment survey, the mean salary for a mechanical engineer was $89,000. Now, let's take a closer look at minors and options. The School of Engineering offers the following: Computer Science minor, Management minor, Resilient Infrastructure Management option, Mechatronics option, Biomedical option. Applications for minors and options are available for students via an online form in May. Resilient Infrastructure Management RIM option. As a future engineer, you need to deal with the complexity of decision-making for spatially distributed assets, mitigation of the effects of climate change, managing and maintaining aging infrastructure, prioritizing uses of limited financial resources. No additional credits are required. To apply, you should be a third-year or fourth-year civil engineering student. And take the following: ENGR 424, Smart Cities, ENGR 432, Infrastructure Management 2, 2 design electives, and 1 technical elective from a list of RIM elective choices. Mechatronics Engineering option integrates principles from electrical, mechanical, manufacturing, and computer science. Students learn about topics that form the basis of smart devices used in robotics and advanced automated systems. Engage in the modeling, development, and the design of tomorrow's smart products that belong to automation, aviation, space, energy, and military industries. A Mechatronics option designation will appear on the graduate's transcript upon successful completion of the requirements. Students intending to specialize in electrical and mechanical engineering programs may apply for the Mechatronics option at the same time as their specialization at the end of Year 1. Course requirements for the option begin in Year 4 by selecting and completing the option's specified design and technical elective courses, in addition to the 2 computer science courses, COSC 121 and COSC 222. Biomedical option. Focus on instrumentation and wearable devices. With a cohort of 30 students per year, this option is GPA competitive. Applications for admission open in May and must be submitted by May 31st via an online form. Courses include Anatomy and Physiology for Engineers, beyond normal degree requirements, Biomedical Engineering 1, Bioinstrumentation, Microelectronics, Biotechnology, Fundamentals and Applications, Microelectromechanical Systems, Wearables, and Clinical Engineering. Additional biomedical upper year elective courses are also available. Computer Science minor. Build your knowledge in the areas of databases and operating systems, software engineering, security, web development, and data analytics. This will likely add an extra year to your degree. The minor includes an additional 30 credits to your degree in computer science. Minor requirements include COSC 111 and 121, 2 other lower-level computer science courses, and 6 upper-level computer science courses. Management minor. Supportive of a stronger foundation in entrepreneurship or management, students can elect to add an extra term or year to their degree to complete this minor. 21 additional credits to your degree are required. Minors require Management 100, 18 credits of Management 400 classes, topics like consumer behavior, international business, organizational behavior, and product development, among others. Applications for minors and options are available for students via an online form in May. Now, it's up to you. You'll receive an email from the School of Engineering Academic Advising, soe.advising@ubc.ca in May, with directions on how to submit your specialization choice online. For even more information, check out our program web pages at engineering.ok.ubc.ca. There, you'll find a page highlighting many of our alumni with profiles about their current roles and their experiences.